The butane is having two isomers. One among the isomer is N-butane and the another one is isobutane. So let's start with N-butane. So the trick to draw this one is, it is C4 here. So first write what? 4 carbon straight chains here, okay, and provide them hydrogen. So here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here hydrogen, here, 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 here. So this is the structure of our N-butane. Now let's write the another structural formula, which is isobutane. So what we are going to do here is just write 3 carbon in the main structure. So 1, 2, 3, and write a carbon here as a branch. Okay, now we are providing the hydrogen to all the carbon. So here, 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 and for this carbon we have to again provide another 3 hydrogen for it. So here there is a hydrogen, here, here. So we have another name also for this isobutane, that is when we arrange them, provide them number. So here 1, 2, 3. So in the second value we are having a methyl here. So we'll be writing what? 2 methyl, and what is this? Meth, eth, prop, and all are single bonds. So methyl propane. The pentane is having 3 isomers, and the first isomer is known as our normal pentane. So N-pentane. So in order to draw it, write 5 carbon first, straight chain. Then we have to provide hydrogen further. So here, 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 and here. So this is the structure of N-pentane. So what we are going to write next is isopendane. Isopendane. So for this we will be writing only 4 carbon in the main chain, and 1 carbon we are providing here. Now we are providing hydrogen for them. So hydrogen, 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 and for that carbon we will be providing again 3 hydrogen here. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So even though it is isopentane, it is having another name. So just like when we check here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So position is 2 here, right? So we can rewrite them as 2, and in that 2 we are having what here? Methyl. So 2 methyl, and here when we are checking meth, eth, prop, but, and all are single bond. So methyl butane. Another isomer of pentane is neopentane. Neopentane. So here what we are going to write is 3 carbon in the main chain. So carbon, carbon, and carbon here, and 1 carbon is provided here and another carbon is provided here. Now we are providing them hydrogens here, here, then here, here, and now we have to provide hydrogen for their branches. So here, 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 then we have here, here, here. We missed 2 hydrogens here, like in this point and here. So this is the structure of neopentane. Also when we count them, okay, so this is the, if we consider this as the first position, 1, 2, 3. In the second position, okay, so 2, 2, we have what? Here there is a methyl, here there is a methyl. So we will be writing 2, 2 dimethyl and here meth, eth, prop, and all single bonds, so we'll be writing propane. Hexane is having 5 isomers. One is our general chain structure, like what? We'll be having 6 carbon in the main chain, provide them with hydrogen. And we have another structure. Another structure is we will be writing like what? We will be reducing one carbon from it. We will be reducing one carbon from the main chain, so it will be like what? Carbon, 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 carbon. 5 carbon is here, and we are writing one carbon from here. Okay, now we have to provide them hydrogen. So here, 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 hydrogen, hydrogen, and hydrogen. And for that branched carbon, we will be providing a hydrogen, hydrogen, and hydrogen here. So when we check here, we can say what? This is the first position, second, third, fourth, fifth. So we can say in the second position, we are having what? A methyl is here. Okay, methyl and meth, eth, prop, but, and pent. So 2 methyl, pent, and all are single bonds. So A. And our next isomer of pentane is like this. In order to find the next isomer of hexane, what we are doing is we are following the main branch with 5 carbon atoms. So carbon, 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 and carbon here, and we are making a branch in the third position. Okay, now we can provide them hydrogen, 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 and for that branched carbon we will be providing hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So in this we can say what? While numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the third position we have a methyl, okay, and meth, eth, prop, but, pant. So 3 methyl, pant, and all are single bonds, so ANE. Now we can write one more isomer. So one more isomer is like what? Again we have 4 carbon. Okay, not 5 carbon, 4 carbon in the main chain. So carbon, 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 and carbon, and we'll be drawing, we are providing 2 carbons in the second positions. So total we have 6 carbons now, and now we are providing hydrogen for them. So here, 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 and here. And for the branched chain carbons, we will be providing hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Here also same, hydrogen, hydrogen, and hydrogen. So while naming them, we can say what here? In the second position, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second position. So we'll be writing 2, 2. What is happening there? Dimethyl. Dimethyl. And what is the meth, eth, prop, but? Butane. And the last isomer. So for the last isomer, we are again having 4 carbon atom in the main chain. So carbon, 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 and carbon, and we are providing 1 carbon atom in the second position, 1 in the third position. Okay, now we can provide them hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen, 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 and for the branched we can provide them hydrogen, 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 and here hydrogen. So for this naming, so when we provide the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the second position and third position, we are having what? Two methyls. So dimethyl and meth, eth, prop, bute. Bute, all the single bonds, so N.